The Industrial Revolution in the United States. The Industrial Revolution in the United States marked a period of profound economic, social, and technological transformation during the 18th and 19th centuries, characterized by the mechanization of production, the rise of factories, and the emergence of new industries. The Industrial Revolution reshaped the landscape of American society and laid the foundation for modern industrial capitalism. In this video, we explore the key developments, innovations, and impacts of the Industrial Revolution in the United States, tracing its evolution from agrarian beginnings to industrial powerhouse. Before the onset of the Industrial Revolution, the United States was predominantly agrarian, with most people engaged in farming and rural life. Small-scale cottage industries and artisanal craftsmanship prevailed, relying on traditional methods of production and manual labor. Several factors fueled the industrialization of the United States, including technological innovations, access to natural resources, transportation improvements, and a growing population of laborers seeking employment opportunities in urban centers. Innovations such as the steam engine, textile machinery, and mechanized farming equipment revolutionized production methods and increased efficiency. The textile industry was one of the first sectors to undergo industrialization in the United States, with the construction of textile mills in New England powered by water and later steam engines. Other industries, such as iron and steel manufacturing, coal mining, and transportation infrastructure, experienced rapid growth and expansion during this period. The Industrial Revolution brought significant changes to American society, including urbanization, the growth of cities, and the rise of industrial capitalism. Urban centers became hubs of manufacturing and commerce, attracting waves of immigrants seeking employment in factories and mills. However, industrialization also led to harsh working conditions, exploitation of labor, and social inequalities, prompting calls for labor reform and worker rights. Technological advancements played a pivotal role in driving the Industrial Revolution forward. In addition to steam power and mechanized production, innovations such as the telegraph, railroad, and electricity revolutionized communication, transportation, and commerce, connecting distant regions and facilitating trade and commerce on a national scale. The Industrial Revolution propelled the United States into a period of unprecedented economic expansion and global influence. American industries produced a wide range of goods for domestic consumption and export, fueling economic growth and prosperity. The United States emerged as a leading industrial power, competing with European nations for markets and resources on the global stage. The Industrial Revolution left a lasting legacy on the United States, shaping its economy, society, and culture in profound ways. While it brought unprecedented wealth and technological progress, it also sparked social tensions, environmental degradation, and labor strife. The challenges of industrialization continue to resonate in contemporary debates over labor rights, environmental sustainability, and economic inequality. What was the Industrial Revolution in the United States? The Industrial Revolution in the United States was a period of rapid industrialization and technological advancement during the 18th and 19th centuries. It marked the transition from agrarian-based economies to industrialized societies, characterized by the mechanization of production, the rise of factories, and the emergence of new industries. What were the main factors that drove the Industrial Revolution in the United States? Several factors contributed to the Industrial Revolution in the United States, including technological innovations such as the steam engine and textile machinery, access to abundant natural resources like coal and iron ore, improvements in transportation infrastructure, and a growing population of laborers seeking employment opportunities in urban areas. What were some key industries that experienced growth during the Industrial Revolution in the United States? Industries that experienced significant growth during the Industrial Revolution in the United States included textiles, iron and steel manufacturing, coal mining, railroads, and agriculture. These industries transformed the American economy and propelled the nation into a period of unprecedented economic expansion. What were some of the social and economic impacts of the Industrial Revolution in the United States? The Industrial Revolution brought about profound social and economic changes in the United States, including urbanization, the growth of cities, the rise of industrial capitalism, and the emergence of a new working class. It also led to harsh working conditions, labor unrest, and debates over labor rights and worker protections. What was the long-term legacy of the Industrial Revolution in the United States? The Industrial Revolution left a lasting legacy on the United States, shaping its economy, society, and culture in profound ways. It laid the foundation for modern industrial capitalism, fueled economic expansion and global influence, and sparked debates over issues such as labor rights, environmental sustainability, and economic inequality that continue to resonate today. Like the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel.